In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft, and from in there you should be able to see and hear this. So into this part, just proceed to click onto this sign in option in order to sign in into your account. So on my case, you need to be actually subscribed to Microsoft itself in order to access the Microsoft Planner. Or you need to be under an organization subscribed to it. So on this case, just proceed to click onto this sign in option in order to do that. Or you can also get Planner for iOS or Android. Once you're signed in, head over and input right here your email, phone, or Skype. Click on next and provide your password in order to successfully sign in. Now here is my actual planner. So Microsoft Planner doesn't offer granular task level permissions, so you can't restrict editing for specific users on a task. Instead, you can control editing access by managing permissions at the Microsoft 365 group level, as each plan is tied to a group. So for example, you can click on the share option and make sure to just share it to people that you want to actually share it with. For example, you can just type and add members to a group, or you add existing groups to this particular plan. With this, you can actually restrict the editing through that way, and this is actually a workaround for assigning tasks to specific individuals, encouraging comments for changes instead of direct editing, or using lock labels on tasks. So for example, let's utilize that lock label. You can head over and then click on a particular task right there. Into this task, proceed to click onto this add label, and then click on this edit, and then let's name this lock, and then enter, and then click on this label right there. In that way, this particular task will be noted as locked and people won't be able to actually access it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.